What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best robot vacuums 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. If you're looking for a robot vacuum with a larger internal dirt compartment, consider the Roborock E4. This budget-friendly robot vacuum delivers similarly superb performance on bare floors and does a slightly better job cleaning debris on carpet than the Wyze robot vacuum. However, you can't set up virtual boundary markers or schedule room cleaning sessions for specific areas using its companion app. Thankfully, its dustbin is larger, so it shouldn't need emptying as frequently. Despite its less advanced mapping system, it still does a great job of maneuvering itself, and it's capable of automatically adjusting its suction power depending on the surface that it's on. However, while its maximum battery life of nearly 200 minutes is longer, it does take longer to recharge. It also has many parts that need regular replacing, including its allergen-trapping HEPA filter. Get the Wyze if you want a vacuum with more advanced automation capabilities, but consider the Roborock if you want a larger dustbin and a longer battery life. Number 4. Roomba i3 Plus Robot Vacuum helps take vacuuming off your mind, cleaning in neat rows, emptying itself, and learning your habits to offer up personalized schedules. After each cleaning, it empties itself into a dirt disposal bag that takes up to 60 days to fill, so that you can forget about vacuuming for months. The i3 Plus uses 10x power lifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes for an impressive clean. Using the iRobot Home app or just your voice with Google Assistant or Alexa, you control when your robot cleans. With the i3 Plus, you can check vacuuming off your to-do list. Number 3. If you're looking to spend less on a robot vacuum but can still easily clean pet hair on a wide variety of floor types, consider the Neato D8. Like the iRobot Roomba S9, this vacuum has an onboard allergen-trapping HEPA filter and a removable brush roll that makes it easier to clean tangled hair. However, it lacks an automatic surface detection system and has a slightly harder time climbing onto very high pile rugs. It feels impressively well built and has far fewer parts that need periodic cleaning. Its LiDAR mapping system generates a permanent map of its coverage area, which you can access through its companion app to set up no-go zones. The vacuum won't enter or schedule cleaning sessions in advance. Unfortunately, this vacuum's battery life is relatively short. You can only expect a maximum of roughly 70 minutes of runtime before it has to return to its docking station to recharge, which is less than half the iRobot's maximum battery life. Get the iRobot if you want a vacuum that lasts longer on a charge and does a better job of maneuvering itself around obstacles, but consider the Neato if you want to spend less without sacrificing too much in the way of pet hair cleaning performance. Number 2. The best robot vacuum for bare floors that we've tested is the Roborock S7. This high-end robot vacuum does a fantastic job of dealing with small and bulky debris on flat, even surfaces like hardwood or tile. Its headlining feature is its ultrasonic mopping capability, which uses a vibrating mopping pad to scrub away work dirt and debris, resulting in impressive stain-clearing performance on hard surfaces. This vacuum has a wide range of other automation capabilities. Its surface detection system allows it to automatically lift its mopping pad when it detects that it's on carpet, or adjust its suction power to suit different floor types. Its LiDAR mapping system allows it to precisely map out the location of various obstacles in a room or maneuver in dark areas. You can use its companion app to pinpoint specific areas you want the vacuum to clean, set up no-go zones the vacuum won't enter, or even remote control it if it gets stuck. Unfortunately, it's worth noting that this vacuum has a hard time dealing with pet hair on carpets, but thankfully it clears most of it on bare floors. In addition, even though it has a HEPA post-motor filter, fine particles can still escape from its exhaust, so it isn't the best option for those who suffer from allergies. Still, if you're looking for a robot vacuum to handle messes on bare floors and want a wide array of convenience features, it's a solid choice. Number 1. iRobot's vacuums remain attractive, effective, and easy to use. I particularly like their cleaning base integration. The robots never have trouble settling, and even the mid-range Roomba i3 Plus has been sensors to empty it automatically when it's full. I also can't believe that it's the only manufacturer to offer a smaller bin with storage inside for tools and extra bags. I always forget where I've put the extra bags. The Roomba J7 Plus has powerful suction and some of the best navigational tools on the market. iRobot now has a new feature called Genius that lets you teach your Roomba about your personal preferences and cleaning schedules, instead of painstakingly programming them manually. My one quibble is that the J7 Plus is supposed to smart recharge and return to clean areas that it missed. During the quick initial mapping, it missed one corner of a room on my 800 square foot downstairs. My husband quickly realized that just one spot wasn't getting cleaned. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.